What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you how to do this really cool animation effect and take your videos to the next level. Before you get started, you're going to want to know if you shot in 720, 1080, 4K, because this plugin comes with a bunch of different options, and if you use the wrong one, it's not going to work right. If you shot 4K footage and you're trying to use the 1080 plugin, it's going to be all wonky and you're going to get frustrated and not know what's going on. Let's jump into Final Cut Pro and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, here's what you're going to want to do. Go to Pixel Film Studios and scroll down to this brush glow effect. You're going to want to buy this sucker. It's super dope. Once you make one of the coolest purchases of your life and install this bad boy, you're going to want to go into your titles and generators. Find that Pixel Film Studio brush glow. Boom, there it is. I shot my video on 1080, so I'm just going to drag that title right over my footage. Now we're going to go to the point where I grab the cool thing. So let's go frame by frame and boom, grab it. Alright, so right when I'm about to grab it, I'm going to start drawing. So here's the controls for the plugin. What I like to do is make sure the brush size is good, so I'll draw a line. Let's see. I'm going to do red. And literally all you have to do is just draw. Go next frame. It's in my hand. Draw a little bit more. It's in my hand. Alright, and now that I got to the point where it's going to transfer, I like to kind of taper the effect away. So now I'm going to go to 6 for the size and just do a little bit in there. Next frame, do 3, 1, just a little bit. The most important part about this effect is that you save the canvas. If you don't hit save canvas, it's not going to show up on your final edit. So now if you look at it, oh, boom, perfect. Alright, so if I want to continue to use red, I can continue on this and just keep drawing. I kind of want to use a different color, so I'm going to pull another one of these suckers on there. We'll make it blue.